Good morning, YouTube. Oh my goodness, we are in paradise. Welcome to Coconut Island, or I'm just calling it that because it sounds cool. But yeah, nothing better than waking up to all this. And I guess we got some lizard friends on the dock. We're gonna go for a swim in the ocean to start our day. How awesome is this? Okay, universe, I'll do it. Thank you. I'm gonna try out these new goggles. Upgraded some camera equipment, so let's give it a whirl. Oh yeah, and this new suit is. You can mention in the comments below how much you love it. Only if you subscribe though, okay? Cool, that is a good little spot, Shirley. Yay! Awesome. There, something like that. I mean, we're in nature. It's not going to be perfectly straight, I don't think. Fun. Very cool. Okay, let's get it. To the middle of nowhere. No, a little deeper. Especially since we got the underwater camera working again. Oh my boy. Okay. You ready to dive in? Yeah. There's these little patches of seaweed. They actually feel kind of fluffy. What a nice island. Wow. I guess this something was tickling my butt. Take one guess. It's seaweed. No, okay, the sand is sinky here. I was trying to say, oh my god. This is probably why I got the wrist thing. Pelicans are singing a song. Very cool. Crazy, but this ocean feels like half a lake and half an ocean. Like back in San Diego Carmen, way more salty, way more aqua. So, question of the day appears to be: would you trade city life to take down, say, your expenses in half? Okay, the sand is kind of, it's extra squishy here. I'm gonna move. No, but seriously though, a lot of people, especially now, blessing in disguise, surely, seem to be trading city life for something like this. would you do it? You know what to do.
And let me tell you, oh, I couldn't even.
Just remember, guys, the best things are not caught on film.